Welcome to our channel, English with NS. In this video, we will discuss the use of modal verb, can. There are three basic uses of can. Ability, possibility, permission. Let's discuss the ability first. Can is used to talk about someone's ability to do any work. For example, he can play guitar. Sally can take a selfie. A cat can run. An astronaut can float in space. Now, let's discuss the use of can for possibility. Can is also used for something that has a strong sense of possibility. It also refers to a general truth with high certainty. Means, there are highly chances to do something. For example, you can grow up to be a photographer. I am sure you can dance. Today I am busy, so I can come tomorrow. I can drive Sarah's car when she is not in town. There is a possibility that you can win a trophy. Now, let's discuss permission. Can is most commonly used to ask for informal permission, to give permission. Examples for asking permission. Can I sit here? Can I use your mobile? Can you pass me a bag of money? Examples to give permission. You can sit and have a coffee. You can do push-ups after sit-ups. You can go on leaves. In this video, we discussed the basic use of modal verb, can. In our next videos we will discuss more modal verbs along with examples. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.